Drew, it's about 6:30 right now. I'm just gonna get out of here. I finally figured out what the breaker was. I think I did. I got it on anyway. And I've got, the lights are on right now, but normally they won't be on until it gets dark. It's on a transformer that has an eye on it. Won't turn them on unless it's dark. But you can see Drew's put landscaping in all the hills that I created. And I put a bunch of plants from one of my other features in to condition the water. You can always throw these out later, but this helps get the water conditioned and balanced, because you have the combination of the filtration and fish and plants to make this a little environment for that's healthy water. You can see I cut the water or the bubbler down a lot, and we've got a auto fill over here at the right level.